English Vocabulary Practice 101. This is a vocabulary practice video for beginners to improve your English and expand your knowledge through English sentences. You will listen to each sentence twice, and after the sentence, there will be a quick explanation about what each sentence is saying. Listen to it as many times as you need. Let's get started. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. This sentence describes the weather condition. I like to read books. I like to read books. This sentence expresses a personal preference or hobby. He is tall. He is tall. This sentence describes a physical characteristic. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. This sentence describes the current activity of the cat. We are going to the park. We are going to the park. This sentence expresses a plan or intention. They are playing soccer. They are playing soccer. This sentence describes an ongoing activity. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. This sentence describes the weather condition. She has a red car. She has a red car. This sentence describes a possession or belonging. I can swim. I can swim. This sentence indicates an ability or skill. He likes to eat pizza. He likes to eat pizza. This sentence expresses a food preference. The dog is barking loudly. The dog is barking loudly. This sentence describes the sound the dog is making. We are going on vacation next week. We are going on vacation next week. This sentence indicates a future plan or arrangement. She is wearing a blue dress. She is wearing a blue dress. This sentence describes someone's clothing. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. This sentence expresses a desire or goal. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. This sentence describes someone's current activity. The flowers are blooming in the garden. The flowers are blooming in the garden. This sentence describes a natural process. We are cooking dinner together. We are cooking dinner together. This sentence describes a shared activity. They are watching a movie at the cinema. They are watching a movie at the cinema. This sentence describes an activity taking place in a specific location. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. This sentence describes a routine or habitual action. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. This sentence expresses a necessity or requirement. He works in an office. He works in an office. This sentence describes someone's place of employment. The birds are chirping in the trees. The birds are chirping in the trees. This sentence describes the sound the birds are making. She is studying for her exams. She is studying for her exams. This sentence describes someone's current activity. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I like to drink coffee in the morning. This sentence expresses a preferred drink and time. He is listening to music on his headphones. He is listening to music on his headphones. This sentence describes someone's current activity and method of listening. The train is arriving at the station. The train is arriving at the station. This sentence describes the train's current action. We are having a barbecue in the backyard. We are having a barbecue in the backyard. This sentence describes a planned activity and location. They are playing with their toys in the living room. They are playing with their toys in the living room. This sentence describes an ongoing activity and location. She is talking on the phone with her friend. She is talking on the phone with her friend. This sentence describes someone's current activity and who they are talking to. I am feeling tired after a long day at work. I am feeling tired after a long day at work. This sentence describes someone's current feeling and the reason for it. He likes to watch movies on the weekends. He likes to watch movies on the weekends. This sentence expresses a preferred leisure activity and time. The baby is sleeping peacefully in the crib. The baby is sleeping peacefully in the crib. This sentence describes the baby's current state and location. We are going for a walk in the park this evening. We are going for a walk in the park this evening. This sentence describes a planned activity and time. They are celebrating their anniversary with a dinner date. They are celebrating their anniversary with a dinner date. This sentence describes a planned activity and occasion. She is writing a letter to her grandmother. She is writing a letter to her grandmother. This sentence describes someone's current activity and who the letter is for. I am learning to play the guitar. I am learning to play the guitar. This sentence describes someone's current activity and what they are learning. He is wearing a coat because it's cold outside. He is wearing a coat because it's cold outside. This sentence describes someone's clothing choice and the reason for it. The students are studying for their exams in the library. The students are studying for their exams in the library. This sentence describes an ongoing activity and location. She is helping her mother cook dinner in the kitchen. She is helping her mother cook dinner in the kitchen. This sentence describes someone's current activity and location, as well as who they are helping. I am waiting for the bus at the bus stop. I am waiting for the bus at the bus stop. This sentence describes someone's current activity and location. He is fixing the broken chair in the living room. He is fixing the broken chair in the living room. This sentence describes someone's current activity and what they are fixing. The children are playing in the backyard. The children are playing in the backyard. This sentence describes an ongoing activity and location. She is practicing the piano for her recital next week. She is practicing the piano for her recital next week. This sentence describes someone's current activity and the reason for it. I am baking a cake for my friend's birthday party. I am baking a cake for my friend's birthday party. This sentence describes someone's current activity and the reason for it. He is studying English to improve his communication skills. He is studying English to improve his communication skills. This sentence describes someone's current activity and the reason for it. The baby is crawling on the floor. The baby is crawling on the floor. This sentence describes the baby's current activity. She is watching the sunset from her balcony. She is watching the sunset from her balcony. This sentence describes someone's current activity and location. I am enjoying a cup of tea while reading a book. I am enjoying a cup of tea while reading a book. This sentence describes someone's current activity and what they're enjoying. End of the English practice video. Click like if this video helped you practice and expand your English vocabulary. Subscribe to the Language Exchange channel for weekly lessons like this one. Thank you for being with us. Leave a comment down below about your level of understanding. We'd love to hear from you. Watch the same video again if you feel you still need to review these sentences. Check our English playlists for more. Practice makes better. See you next time.